In this tutorial, I'll show you how to merge cells in a Confluence table. By the end of this video, you'll know how to combine multiple cells to create cleaner, better organized tables that are easier for your team to read. First, open the Confluence page that contains the table you want to edit. Then click Edit to enter editing mode. Navigate to the table where you want to merge cells. Next, click and drag your cursor to highlight the adjacent cells you want to combine. Make sure the cells are next to each other, either in the same row or column, since Confluence only allows adjacent cells to be merged. Once the cells are selected, open the Table Options menu. Depending on your Confluence version, you can use the table toolbar that appears above the table or right-click the selected cells. From the available options, select Merge Cells. Confluence will immediately combine the selected cells into one larger cell. This is useful for creating table headers, grouping related information, or making summary rows easier to read. If you need to reverse the change later, select the merged cell, open the table options again, and choose Split Cell to separate it back into individual cells. When you're happy with the layout, click Publish or Update to save your changes. And that's how to merge cells in Confluence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Confluence tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.